Hi all, in this video we are going to see the process of opening an LG microwave oven for repairing purpose. The oven that you see is MH-4048GW model. For opening the oven you will be needing a screwdriver for opening the screws which are attached to the oven. When you open the door of the oven, you can see that we have got a glass tray and a grill provided with the oven. Once all the 9 screws holding the upper white panel have been removed, you will have to pull back this white panel towards the back. It won't be this light while you are opening it. Once that panel has been pulled back, you can remove it completely. You can see here this is the inside of the oven. You can see we have opened up the oven. This is the right side of the oven. Majority of the instrumentation is present over here. It is advised to vacuum the inside of the oven once it is opened before you close it up. So now if you want to remove the front door, all that you need to do is pull the door upside, because it is being held by a pin over here, and just pull it outside this way. The door comes out of the panel very easily. Here you have the door of the oven outside removed.